Tall cakes are very popular, but they can be tricky to cut if you don't know how. And I have seen lots of people try the traditional quarter method and ruin the cake. So I'm going to show you how to cut a tall cake easily. Ideally, remove all the decorations on the cake. You're going to need a type of board, so a chopping board or something like that to support the cake. So you make your first slice, and here I'm using a simple kitchen bread knife, which you probably have in your kitchen drawer. And you can see that I'm using the board to support the full length of the cake. If the board wasn't there, that whole piece will just crumble. You can also use the board as a cutting surface, so now you can cut your cake into smaller desired portions. And you repeat this process, cutting the slices that you require. This is much easier than the standard method, so try this next time you cut a tall cake. Now, if you have been staying away from tall cakes because you didn't know how to make them, don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out my tutorial showing you how to make a tall cake. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.